You know, you've chosen to go for the implant option, the fixed teeth that don't come in and out. Why did you opt for that?
Well, basically, to have a better living experience. It's awful to have to go through this, but do it right the first time and get it out of the way.
Are there any fears that you have?
No.
So you're feeling pretty
No,
confident?
I'm just ready to get this done.
You're ready to get it over with.
Correct.
Sounds good. Well, let's get the ball rolling. Thanks
Looking
for
forward to
sharing
it.
your story.
You bet.
But tell us, how long has it been since we did surgery?
8 o'clock yesterday, was home at 11. So
That's great.
how many ever hours is that?
Yeah. So how are you feeling today? How was your night last night?
Night was a little bit hard to sleep, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm at a 1.
Wow, that's great. What was the worst you got last night?
Not pain. I just couldn't find a good place to lay down
Relax.
because I kept on rubbing my
Yeah,
tongue against my lips.
Yeah, it felt weird, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. So how long has it been since you've been proud of your smile?
Well, it's been a minute.
Been a while.
Yeah.
You ready to see it?
Let's see it.
All right, here you go, my friend.
Oh, wow. That's completely different.
What do you think?
Love it. Now, if we can just get the swellness down, we'll be in business.
You'll be able to tell what
Yeah.
it looks like.
No, that's great.
Yeah,
That is awesome.
that's a smile for a high-powered attorney right there.
That's a smile for something, isn't it?
Let me see, smile really big. Wow, that is great, man. Congratulations.
Well, thank you very much.
You're
I made the
welcome.
right decision.
Thank you.